Hey everybody, I do a quick update video here from yesterday, this American 700. I think I have figured out what the keyway is. Emailed Jeff Moss, who thought it was one of the restricted American keyways. And if I dug through my stuff, I think I would have came to that conclusion without having to bug him, but he's a nice enough guy. I don't think he minds too much. These right here are some American locks with restricted keyways. This keyway here is the R7 keyway. And two of these are that, and one of them is an R8. This is also an R8, and if you look at the R8 keyway compared to this keyway, you see it's just a reverse of it. So this is, I don't know what number this is, if it's R6 or R9, or I have no idea, but I do believe it is a American lock restricted keyway. You can see it's almost just a mirror image of it. And so that's probably what it is. So since I can't make a key for it, I don't know if I just want to replace it or just throw the lock back on eBay and get rid of it. That's probably what I'll end up doing, maybe just sell it, maybe just unlocked for somebody who maybe collects Union Pacific locks. So also a little more research, think that's what it is a Union Pacific Railroad lock. And so I think I probably will just do that rather than putting a brand new American cylinder in it and changing what the lock is. I figured maybe somebody will just buy it unlocked and they can hang it on something or whatever. But anyway, that's pretty sure what it is. It's an American lock restricted one. And just said I'd do an update. So there it is. And until next time, we'll talk to everybody later.